See my visa from the VFS. Yes. uh, yes, yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Lord, we lift you up. Onyo mame, narekelem jiribia. You've done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. Narekelemo. What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. Hey. Nara, nara.
Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back. Guys, I'm sorry the intro is coming late when I'm already in the flight. Yeah guys, it's a relocation vlog. Yeah, I'm relocating. Yes, I'm moving from Saudi Arabia to Canada. Yes guys, so guys, I promise to carry people along. Just go with me.
So guys, we are in Cairo now. We just arrived Cairo International Airport, Egypt.
Narekele, narekele mo. Nara, nara, narekele, narekele mo. So we lift you up, Jesus. Lift you up, Jesus. Glorify your name.
Hi guys. Yeah, I'm in Cairo and he's taking me to the transit section.
It's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. Yeah, tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, still won't be enough, Jesus.
So guys, very soon we will start.
Passengers to Toronto.
So about to board. So guys, let's go. By the way guys, have you seen my glasses? I don't have a problem wearing glasses, but I have to wear it. I have two different frames. Next time I'll be showing you the other one. So I have this and the second one is this one. So which one fits me more? Like check it. So this is the second one. I have to make two because I can't be wearing only one design every day. So I got two. Which one fits me more, guys? So first, so I think I should wear this since I'm wearing it.
We lift you up and say, Nara, Nara, Nara. Hey, all the glory belongs to you, Jesus. Nara, Nara.
so the hotel is here to pick us up. So guys, we just got to the hotel. This is the Crown Plaza Hotel.
To Jehovah, He has done so very much for me.
Oh my god, guys. Finally, I'm here. So this is my room for now. This is where I'll be staying for 3 days, and after 3 days I'll move to a new apartment. Because of COVID-19, they have new laws, coronavirus plan. So if you're coming to Canada this period, you must book government approved hotel for 3 days before going to another place. So guys, here I am. I have arrived. They just offered me breakfast because it's still morning here. You can see my tea, everything is there, and this here. First I have to take my shower, then I'll come and open the food and see what they got there. Thank you guys. I'll end the video.